Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bybit account securely, secure access step by step clearly. To securely log into your Bybit account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Bybit website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page, where you need to enter your registered email address. After entering your email, proceed to input your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is strong and unique to enhance security. Once your credentials are entered, take a moment to check for any spelling errors. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter the code sent to your device. Retrieve this code from your authenticator app or your email, depending on your setup. Input the code in the provided field. Double-check that all information is correct before proceeding. After confirming your details, click on the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider using the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Alternatively, if you are using a mobile device, you may download the Bybit app for easier access. Always ensure you are logging in from a secure and trusted network. If possible, avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing your account. Once logged in, double-check your account for any unusual activity. Make sure to log out after finishing your session, especially on shared devices. Following these steps will help ensure a secure login to your Bybit account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.